sure we are celebrating the king herself. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Cindy! The star girl is in the building, yeah? All right, now, we're going to do this chop. And of course, now, do you know the collabo of the year? Walk with me. Being here means a lot, guys, yeah? It's a huge statement. Make some noise for Spice Diana! Why here? Why now? What does the royal experience mean for Spice Diana?
Oh my God, thank you so much, Henry. You guys, dalu. Syndicates, you guys, first of all, you're such a vibe. You know? But, well, I'm so very, actually, kanzije kone galubindi. Bana emunde kete mutandika. Please, Henry. I'm super excited. I think you can tell. I'm one person who doesn't hide how I feel. Kubanga, it can tell from how I speak, the smile. Wembanga ndi mubanjagala nchifeeling, eh? Wembanga ndi mubali real nchifeeling, era umubili guchiranga. So I'm really happy. Thank you. First of all, Cindy, the name Cindy is Uganda at large. Like seriously. Is Uganda the past, the present, and the future. So, Cindy has been my artist. If you followed Spice's interviews, I've mentioned Cindy as my artist. All right? And I've learned so much from her up to now. Even the new attitude I have, actually I'm learning from her. Cindy, Teyeri Antama. All right? And I was this girl that would just take things light. Nabatanjagala ngambagala. So Cindy Yagamba, if you don't like me, my darling, I don't like you. So I took it personal. All right? And so I've learned so much from her, from how she carries herself, from the stage performance. And I want to learn the best and from the best. Okay? Temu sunanga. So, Cindy, I love you so much, and you know that. Omani, one thing about Cindy, yemuntu was a tefasa, and it's actually good. Nzenchi yigidemu nnyo, right? So, teyefasa, just because abata kwagala, or batayagala kolagana n'abantu. But yewala ebintu bingi. And I just love that about her. She loves you, naye aba akwagala. She might not show you directly like akajanja TJ, but I've met Cindy so many times and she has always been nice and positive. And Cindy, we are celebrating you this Friday, not just because you're Cindy, only Cindy wa fefena. Okubera nti, we've learned from you. Tuli just because you paved way for us. We've learned from you. Zokuyiga live band. I was watching Cindy. Of course, I can't be her. I can't be anybody. But I was like, at least I want to be, I want to learn from the best. I want to learn from the best. And this Friday, too bad, I might not be around physically because I might be flying out. And she knows I told her, I'm going to be with you guys in spirit, and I'm buying tickets. And I'm buying, my manager wali wane nagenda kumpaka sente tickets, but nange ba Spice Gadgets. You're not Jemuri. Spice Gadgets and Syndicates, we are one family. Kubanga ebitugata bingi, musically, the love, byebitugata. So my Spice Gadgets mbagulide ticket era mugenda berayo mu supporting Cindy kurange nja kubeeringa mpaga bwent nebo kiba kisoboka nyinzo byesala nembikyusa nengamba ngenda bawo. So, era we munda baote mwewunya. Kubanga, even today, I'm lucky and I'm so happy that this delayed a bit. I thought I wasn't going to make it to the press conference because I had a very long day. But I told her I'm going to be there. I will be there. So, Cindy, you have my full support. I wish you all the best and you got it. I mean, you have everything it takes. Toina nakweda likia daily way back, relaxing. You're the king. You get what I'm saying? Ate, nechidala. Like I've told you, I've learned so much from her. Anjagala go njagala. Ali real to me gwengendo kwagala. Atanjagala sikolachi. If you're fake, we don't want you. Abali fake tetwagala. Good energy we bringing close to us. So I love you guys. Thank you for loving Cindy. I wish you all the best this Friday. May God bless you all. Thank you very much.